My name is Aurelie and my background is in statistics and econometrics. I sold my startup back in 2008, exchanged that for a family, and then during my pregnancy started listening to the lawyers talk about the GDPR because I was kind of worried. I like data, but there's a limit to how this should be used. As part of the ethics advisory group of the European Data Protection Supervisor, we wrote a white paper following work we did 2 years ago about what we need to think about now that the GDPR is there. There's just so much the law can do when it comes to compliance, and there's a lot of gray areas out there. As I always say, the law is not a technical requirement, and our societies are more and more driven by data. Decisions are being made with data, which have consequences. And in that sense, the GDPR is an accomplishment, but the conversation needs to continue because we will see new uses of data influencing our lives more and more.
So I guess some people think about data as oil. That's not a new thing in the data world. People have been saying that for a long time. But I think it is something that resonates with a lot of organisations. So thinking about data as an asset on your asset register, for example, and also the types of capabilities you can put around data exploitation. If you look at some of the future gazers, some of the Gartners of this world, they're sort of predicting that a lot of products and services will be really differentiated by the range of data services that really sit around them. On the other hand, Kainos also works a lot with the UK government, and in that scenario, there's a mandate around pushing out open data. That's for two reasons, really. First of all, because as citizens, that data belongs to us. And secondly, because the government's realised how much economic benefit there is from opening up new data sets.